weather for today as we switch rooms. Switching hotels, actually, not just switching rooms. We're heading across the area, probably about an hour drive, as usual, to get over to our new hotel. But needs to try and get everything out of the corner.
They don't roll the best on carpet.
They do not. And we've got to figure out how to get all this stuff into a convertible Mustang. That'll be the funnest part of the eye.
I don't know, maybe we'll set up a time lapse.
Yeah, I don't know how we're going to film it and do it, so we'll see. We'll find out when we get down there. Just waiting for our car to get up here and arrive. It's gonna be interesting. A little nervous about whether this will fit or not. It's gonna be like Tetris.
I'm not.
Of course she's not, because I'm the one that has to deal with the problem. She does not. Got it in. So what we're looking at.
Now we're gonna put the hood down.
The hood up. Yes.
Yeah.
Got it all loaded up. Heading on out.
It fits.
Yeah, it fits. Got a little room to spare. Look at that.
Just a little.
Just a little. Hitting the interstate. It's not really that far. Mileage-wise, it's actually pretty close. Time-wise, it's about an hour, like we said earlier. A little less. Here's what the trunk looked like. Not too bad. We still had a little extra room.
Yep.
Just a little.
But I don't think we could have fit really that much more stuff in this car. We really pushed the limits. But in case you were wondering, can you fit 2 full-size suitcases, 2 big book bags, and a little extra in a convertible? Yes, you can.
Dropped off the stuff at the hotel. Got to go pick up Nacy's work equipment. Get that done real quick. There was a huge line of cars when we got here. That is finally dispersed.
Yeah, we weren't sure what was going on. I think maybe a graduation.
Yeah, something was definitely happening here, but no one seemed to know what. Off to Pasadena. Checking out the stand this afternoon. We've had it a few times at our hotel in Santa Clarita. This time we're going to try it for the first time in person. Our chili cheese fries, they look really good. The salad is really good. Nacy's had it before.
I've had it a few times and it's delicious.
It's delicious. And the burger, I've had the burger a bunch of times. It's really good too. It's a really solid burger. Kind of say. We're gonna dig in. We'll let you know what we think at the end. What'd you think of the stand?
It was good. That place is always tasty, so if you have the stand near you, I would check it out. I like the Southwest chicken salad. The chicken sandwich is really good. Their broccolini is good too.
Yeah, the burgers are tasty. Onion rings, love the onion rings. The chili cheese fries were fantastic today. The milkshakes are also really good.
Mm-hmm. Just not the s'more one. I didn't like the s'more one. That one was a lose for me. But they make all of their sauces in-house, I think.
Yep.
It's delicious.
Seems like it, yeah. And it's like just a quick service burger joint. Pretty good. So if you're definitely in LA, do it. If you get it on Uber Eats, it's almost double the price.
Yeah.
Know that ahead of time.
Yeah. That's how we've been experiencing it.
Yeah. It's much cheaper in person.
Yeah. Next stop, we're going to go back to the hotel.
Yep. Cruising the streets around Pasadena. We're in like Witter or something like that right now. It's crazy, the different streets, like a whole different aesthetic to the streets over here than where we were in Anaheim, where we were in LA. Think about Santa Clarita. Like, it's entirely different aesthetics on the roads. The trains are on some of the roads, but the plants and everything. It's really interesting how California works like that.
We love California.
Made it back to the hotel room. Nacy's getting ready to unpack her suitcase. Just gonna relax for the afternoon. Gonna place an Instacart order. Do the things we normally do on our travel day.
Maybe go to the hot tub later. I don't know.
Nacy's downstairs doing some Instacart stuff, all that fun stuff. But I figured I'd give you a quick little tour of the room. So here is the room. There's the king size bed. There is the couch in the distance. There's the desk stuff. I'm already starting to edit, get that stuff done. The TV's over here. They have a little area over here for your clothes and stuff. And then here's the closet that has the accessories. I mean, it's got like hangers, has the ironing board. Pretty cool view though. There's this like, I don't know what that is in the distance. I am going to investigate it this time. I wanted to last time, and then we ended up moving hotels. I just never had the opportunity to. I wonder what that is. It's some kind of memorial, I believe. And then they also have all of these folks here doing something. I guess maintaining the grounds. They do have some really pretty flowers. Check out those red flowers. It's definitely blooming season for this side of California. But the room, as we were talking about, once we go past here, here's the thermostat. Here's the little kitchen. It's tiny. And then we've got the bathroom. Just flip this on for you. There's the bathroom. Little tiny bathroom. Our sink, mirror. And that's pretty much it to the room. It's interesting because in the Marriotts, they are a lot bigger. Like the room is bigger. You have like different sections. This is just basically very straight. It kind of reminds me, we lived in grad housing at FSU at one point, and they called it prison housing because it was just kind of straight. And that's all you got. But that's pretty much it to this room. I do like this poster, has a Hollywood sign there. That's what's going on with the room. Nate's getting the stuff. We'll probably figure out something for dinner, and we'll come and get you in a minute. Talk about the rest of our day. Made it to our new hotel. You'll see we're actually in the bathroom, the only place with good lighting in this hotel.
Yeah, we've actually stayed at this hotel before, but it's almost been a year since they switched the location. So if you want to see what this hotel looks like, we have a ton of videos here showing different rooms. So make sure you check out the links below. But it was the end of another travel day, switching from one hotel to the other. Probably the most interesting thing that happened to us today was trying to fit 2 giant suitcases and all of our stuff into a Mustang Convertible.
Yeah, that was definitely something I did not know if we'd be able to do, and it worked. Mm-hmm. We actually got 2 big suitcases in a Mustang Convertible, so kudos to Tetris.
It can be done.
And we got a bunch of other stuff too. It just barely fit just enough space, but we got it over here. Then we basically did our Instacart orders, got the food ready for this week, just been kind of hanging out. We had to do laundry, which, by the way, is $12, 12 something to do 2 loads of laundry at this place. So, whew. But now we're just hanging out, gonna chill for the night and get ready for our next adventures.
Yeah, and we get to do it all over again in 2 days. Back in the Mustang.
Back in the Mustang. So if you like this kind of content, be sure to give it a thumbs up.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come and get y'all for the next one.
Ain't that the truth? Baby Ruth.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
We just wanted to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, would you please consider hitting that subscribe button, as it helps us reach a wider audience and helps our channel grow even further. To those of you who are already subscribed to the channel, we just wanted to say a huge thank you for always being there and supporting our channel. We cannot wait to take you guys on our next adventure, so we'll see you guys in the next one.